This is a video tutorial on the Impact Toughness Lab. The purpose of this lab is to investigate the polymer property of impact toughness. The impact tester will be used to measure the energy required to break samples of polymethyl methacrylate, PMMA, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and Nylon. The break energy values will be used to calculate the impact toughness of each of the materials. Measure the cross-sectional area of each of the samples. Be sure to wear safety glasses during testing. Only the operator should be within 5 feet of the impact tester during operation. Turn on the impact tester by using the switch in the back right of the display. Perform calibration by following the steps on screen. After calibration, you may begin testing. Begin by selecting the test option on screen. Enter the sample width. Pull back the hammer head until notched. Place the sample into the testing fixture with the notch facing the hammer head. Ensure the notch is flush with the back support surface. Tighten the clamp using a wrench. Release the pendulum when indicated on screen. Be sure to stay clear of the pendulum's path. Once you've stopped the pendulum, select the proper break energy condition on screen. Record the measured break energy value. Repeat these steps for each sample. Use the break energy values to calculate the impact toughness of each material. Refer to lab documentation to know how to best report this data.